Join me as I set out to find Surigao's hidden paradise. Can I uncover its best-kept secrets and explore its stunning beauty? Surigao is a beautiful destination in the Philippines, known for its stunning landscapes and unique experiences that many travelers overlook. Nestled in the northeastern part of Mindanao, Surigao is a treasure trove of natural wonders, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Many people view Surigao as just a stopover, a place to pass through on their way to more popular destinations. But that's a misconception. Surigao has so much more to offer beyond its role as a transit point. From its rugged coastlines to its lush forests, there's a wealth of experiences waiting to be discovered. The common misconception about Surigao being just a stopover likely stems from its relatively off-the-beaten-path location. But trust me, the extra effort to get here is well worth it. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore, or exploring islands that are untouched by mass tourism. Surigao's rugged charm and unspoiled beauty make it an ideal destination for travelers looking for an authentic experience. Whether you're a nature lover, a foodie, or a culture vulture, Surigao has something for everyone. As we venture deeper into Surigao, let's explore some of its lesser-known spots. One of these hidden gems is the secret beaches that dot the coastline. Imagine powdery white sand, crystal clear waters, and a sense of tranquility that's hard to find in more crowded destinations. The local cuisine in Surigao is another aspect that's waiting to be discovered. Fresh seafood, traditional Filipino dishes, and even a unique blend of cultural influences make dining here an adventure in itself. Be sure to try some of the local specialties, like canilo or sinigang. Surigao is also home to a rich cultural heritage, with many festivals and traditions that showcase the area's history and values. From the solemn rituals of the indigenous people to the vibrant celebrations that fill the streets, there's a wealth of cultural experiences to immerse yourself in. One place stands out among the rest, a breathtaking hidden paradise that has captured the hearts of many who've been lucky enough to visit. This enchanting spot is a must-see, with its towering limestone cliffs, turquoise lagoons, and powdery white sand beaches. I've had the chance to experience this paradise firsthand, and I can tell you, it's truly magical. Locals rave about its beauty, and travelers who've been there can't stop talking about it. Imagine finding a place that seems almost untouched, where nature's beauty is on full display. This hidden paradise is more than just a pretty face, it's also a haven for adventure seekers. From snorkeling and diving to hiking and island hopping, there's no shortage of activities to keep you engaged. The memories you create here will stay with you long after you've left, and I'm excited to share some of my own stories and testimonials from those who've been fortunate enough to visit. In conclusion, Surigao's hidden treasures are waiting to be uncovered, and I highly recommend adding them to your travel bucket list. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to plan your next adventure, Surigao's stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality make it an unforgettable destination. If you've got a favorite hidden travel destination, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. And if you're looking for more travel inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos for some exciting adventures and hidden gems.